Hey guys, welcome back to Find a Solution. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to send money from a PayZapp wallet to your bank account. Now it's really easy and simple. So first things first, what I do guys, of course you want to open up the PayZapp app and you want to log in, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to select send money or pay, okay? Then from these options guys, you're going to see different options. You want to select send money to account and you want to basically choose the beneficiary's bank, okay? And if you haven't added a beneficiary yet, you better add that beneficiary first. Otherwise, you won't be able to send the money. Add the beneficiary, then come back and you want to choose the beneficiary's bank. And so you want to enter the beneficiary's bank account number, the IFSC code, the account name, and the account type. And then you're going to basically just enter the amount to transfer. Okay, now after you enter the amount to transfer, you want to select the UPI account you want to use for the transfer, enter the UPI PIN, and basically guys, you'll be completing the transaction. An important thing to note guys as well is that you must have completed the bank-based full KYC. KYC means know your customer, to transfer money from a PayZapp to a bank account. So after adding a beneficiary, you can't make a transaction for 4 hours, okay? And after 4 hours guys, you can transfer up to 2,000 rupees until 24 hours, and then after 24 hours you can send as much as you want. So I hope this video helped you out guys, and if it did guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to our channel. Subscribe to Find a Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.